Alright, so this is the Chapter 7 review, number 19. In this one, what we've got is a situation where we're given that these two little angles up at the top are the same. So that means that this thing right here has to be an angle bisector. So we've learned a theorem. There are no similar triangles in this picture here, but we've learned a theorem that says this. If you have an angle bisector, so these two are the same, then it divides the sides proportionally. So this side goes with this side in the same way that this side here goes with this side here. So if I assign letters to these things, like A, B, C, D, you could do like the top blue over the bottom blue equals the top green over the bottom green, so that would be A over B equals C over D. Or you could do something like the top blue over the top green equals the bottom blue over the bottom green. So you could also get something like A over B, oh whoops, nope, sorry, A over C equals B over D, where you're doing the blues over the corresponding greens then. So these are the two types, these are the two most common formulas you could set up there. So if we go back to this picture, the original, you could set up a couple of things. You could set up like 2x over x equals this length here over y. So that's doing, here I'll color these. So in this case, these would be like our blue sides here. And down here would be our green sides. One there, one there. And if you think about this part, this would be 12 minus y, the whole thing minus the part on the side. So if I do 2x over x, that's going to be the same thing as 12 minus y over y. And so, you know, if you set it up this way, one nice thing is that the x's are going to cancel right away, and you're left with 2 over 1 equals 12 minus y over y. So 2y, when you cross multiply, equals 12 minus y. So 3y equals 12, and y equals 4. Now you could also set this up in the way where you do 2x over 12 minus y, so the blue over the green on the left equals the blue over the green on the right. And when you cross multiply here, you're going to get 2xy equals x times 12 minus y. And then some students are getting confused because what do you do with the x? But the nice thing about this is, well, this side has an x in it, and this side has an x in it. And so if you do that, where you divide both sides, then they cancel. And so then you get 2y equals 12 minus y, which is this line. And then you can continue it from there. Some students were asking me, well, why are you allowed to divide by the x? What if it's 0? But x can't be 0 because x is this side length up here, so it can't be 0 to begin with. Okay, so hope that helps.